Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to cover a very important topic, how to delete your Rocket Money account. Whether you are no longer using the app or have security concerns, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to log into your Rocket Money account. Open the Rocket Money app or visit their websites and enter your username and password. Make sure you're logged into the correct account to avoid any issues. Once logged in, click on the profile icon or your name in the top right corner of the app or website. From the drop down menu, select Account Settings or Settings. Step 3. Scroll down to the Account Options or Account Management section. Look for the Delete Account or Close Account button. This might be labeled differently, so keep an eye out for similarly options. Step 4. Click on the Delete Account button and follow the on screen prompts to confirm your decision. You may be asked to provide a reason for deleting your account. The precautions and consequences. Before deleting your account, ensure you have exported any important data such as transaction history and cancel any leaked subscriptions. Deleting your account cannot be reversed. You will lose all the stored data. And that is it. Your Rocket Money account should now be deleted. If you encounter any issues, you can contact Rocket Money's customer support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech related problem solving videos. I'll see you in the next one.